Hi, today we will continue drawing a triangle and take a look at shader programs and the graphic pipeline. Each rendering process goes through several stages of the graphic pipeline. First, vertex attributes are fetched and processed by the vertex shader. Depending on the drawing mode we choose, for example, GL lines or GL triangles, vertices are connected in a specific way. Next, we can optionally create new primitives using a geometry shader. After that comes the rasterization stage, where our primitives are converted into fragments. Before this step, we only work with vertices, and by choosing the drawing mode, we define how the rasterization will happen. At this stage, when we already operate with fragments, we define their color and apply additional logic inside the fragment shader. After the fragment shader finishes its work, the resultant color goes through several tests and is finally written into the frame buffer, which is then displayed on the screen. Now let's move to shader programs written in GLSL. GLSL is similar to C in many ways. We start with the vertex shader. First, we specify the GLSL version, which corresponds to the OpenGL version starting from 3.3. Then we write this line. This means that we receive a 3D vector with vertex coordinates from location 0. If we go back to the host program, we can see that we specified this same location using this function. Inside the main function of the shader, we assign a value to the built-in variable GL position. We create a 4D vector from our 3D coordinates and set the last component to 1.0, which responds for scaling. In the next video, we will go deeper into shaders and their compilation process. Subscribe to stay tuned.